Fricassee is a French cooking method. I've got about 300 grams of mushrooms. This will be enough for 2 people. I am starting the way I always start when I use mushrooms because you get the most flavour out of them. I'm heating a pan and I'm going to dry fry these until they... Oh, I've got a mix. What mushrooms have I got? You can use any mushrooms that you like. I'm using some oyster mushrooms and some chestnut mushrooms, and I've just torn them in half. Cut.
I do mushrooms.
Lovely colour on my mushrooms. They smell beautiful. The moisture is being released. I'm actually going to take these out of the pan while we cook the rest. This pan really retains heat, so I'm actually just going to let that cool down for a couple of... I'm going to melt about 25 grams of butter in the pan over a low heat. Oh, meanwhile, I have toasted a couple of pieces of sourdough, and I'm going to crumble these up into or tear them up into croutons. Butter's bubbling. 1 banana shallot, finely chopped, going in. And 1 fat clove of garlic, finely chopped, also going in. Because it's so finely chopped, this is only going to take a couple of minutes to soften. I'm going to put the mushrooms back in. I'm going to turn the heat up. And I'm going to add a good mouthful of wine. A good splash of wine. That was a couple of mouthfuls. And let that bubble. Season with a little bit of salt, pepper. When that's bubbling and boiling, put the lid on for 1 minute. I had a tin of San Marzano tomatoes in my fridge that I don't want to waste, so I have taken them out of all of the excess juice and I've just roughly chopped them. I'm going to be adding those in. I've also got a lemon. Minute's up, smells gorgeous. I'm going to add in those tomatoes, squeeze of lemon. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. Save some fresh parsley to garnish your dish. And simply serve it into bowls. Scatter with a little bit more fresh parsley and tear in some croutons. And I'm tempted to just add some little knobs of butter to melt in. And there we are, fricassee of mushrooms.